Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's Wishable unbagging. I am so excited for this one. As you guys can tell, I have my Remy ears on and my Remy shirt. So I am a huge fan of Ratatouille. And this past month, that was the Wishables release, was the Ratatouille ride in Epcot. And I am so excited to see which ones we got. They are adorable. If you don't know what Wishables are, they are blind bags. So there are 4 different ones, technically 6. So they show 4 on the back, and I'll show a close-up for you in a second here. But there are 2 chasers for the ride vehicles. And then there's always one that comes outside of the bag. I did Wishables a lot in the past, and so I'll go ahead and leave a link to my Wishable playlist down below. They used to be $9.99. Now they are $15. $15 for one little bag. So there are technically 6 that you can get. I did only get 4 bags, and then the Wishable that comes outside of the bag. So we shall see which ones we get. I did order these on Shop Disney, so they literally could all be the same. I am not sure. I know Linguini and Remy and Chef Gusteau probably kind of feel the same. I just took these out of the box. I have not felt them at all. Cross your fingers that we don't get any doubles. I'm sure we will, but we can only hope. Let's look at the ones that we could possibly get today. We can get Remy, the ride vehicle, and then Chef Gusteau. The ride vehicle, they have the blue, and then I'm pretty sure they have a brown and maybe a gray, I think they do. So I think the other chasers are brown and gray. I'm pretty sure, like 95%. What came out of the bag was Emil, and that is a Remy's brother, and he is just, I just love his cheese. Oh, and I love how he has his little cheese. He is ready for his snack, and he has his tail. Such a little cutie cute. So my favorite one I really want, obviously, is a Remy. My mom actually got some of these, and she got Remy and Linguini, and I even think she got Chef Gusteau, and she got a chaser. So she had a pretty good pull. I really want Remy and Linguini. I think they would be really cute, but I honestly would be happy with any of them. This one's definitely a person. I feel like this one's a person. There's like 3. That one might be Gusteau. That one might be Gusteau. Ooh, this one feels the same as the other one. This one feels like a person. Yeah, who knows? Who knows what will happen? When I do open my Wishable bags, I open them from the bottom because it's easier to trade. Now, I don't know if this is true fact, but when people trade, they like to trade with the whole bag and not it being torn. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the bottoms of these without looking, and then we can get started. Four of my bags are open now. I'm just gonna grab one and go. Okay, so I'm gonna feel it around. So it's definitely a person. Ooh. I think this one might be Remy. I think this might be Remy. Oh, yay, it is. Oh, Remy is so stinking cute. Look how cute he is with his little body and his little chef hat. I am very happy that I got Remy. He was one of my top picks. His little tail. I love his hat. His little chef hat. Oh, Remy. Cute. I like when they do animals. Linguini looks good in this picture, and so does even Gusteau. Sometimes the people Wishables, they just do dirty. They just do not look good. And I hope Linguini looks as cute. I'm pretty sure he does, because I'm pretty sure my mom got him, so I saw him. But I hope he looks as cute in the picture that he does like in Wishable form. But let's open the next one. Okay, I think this one's different. Just go for it. Gusto! Oh my gosh. Look at him. Oh. Oh my gosh. Gusto. How stinking cute is he with his little bow on the back with his apron? His apron's like flying up. Push that back down. There you go, buddy. Look at him in his little hat. Doo-doo-doo. I love it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have been able to ride Ratatouille's adventure yet. It hasn't been open very long. It opened October 1st of 2021. We were able to ride it in December, and I'll go ahead and link that vlog down below. It was amazing. The only thing I didn't love about it is that it's a 3D ride, so you do have to wear glasses the whole time, but it's kind of like Mickey and Minnie's where it is a trackless ride. It is very cool, has little fun little elements. I love it and cannot wait to ride it again in just a couple of weeks. All right, so we're 2 down, Remy and Gusto, and now we really need Linguini. I feel like this one is gonna be Remy again, or was it this one? I don't remember, but let's just go ahead and I'm just gonna pull. I'm not gonna feel, just gonna pull for it. Oh, it is Gusto. Dang it. So this is our first double, but I knew we would probably get one double, and dang it. All right, last bag, hoping for Linguini or a ride vehicle. Now I really want Linguini. Oh, dang. Oh no, we got another Remy. Here is another Remy. So we got 2 Remy's and 2 Gustos. Dang. It's been a great unboxing today, but, or unbagging, whatever you want to call it. I did want Remy, so I was very happy about that. But I really do want Linguini. I now know what they feel like though, so we are going to be in the parks in just a couple of weeks. So I'm definitely probably going to get another Wishable bag, maybe 2, to try and see if I can get a ride vehicle. Linguini or a ride vehicle, I can definitely find myself buying another Wishable or 2 when we're in the parks if I can't convince my mom to trade me, even though once I got, she got. But I definitely want Linguini and the ride vehicle, so I will try and feel for those. I feel like feeling for Linguini might be a little hard, just for the fact that his body shape is the same as Gusto. Yeah, that might be a little difficult. I feel like I would have to focus on the hat, and maybe if you look at Linguini, you can see he has a lot of hair. So I'm gonna have to do some research. I'll probably take one of my bags over to my parents' house and stick them in there and feel it around to understand like what goes into it. There's a lot that goes into Wishables, y'all, especially now for $15. Like, we gotta make sure we are not getting any duplicates. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my unbagging of Remy's Ratatouille adventure. And you can see my dog right here. She wants me to throw her toy. But I really enjoyed this series. I love the movie Ratatouille, really enjoyed the ride, so I definitely needed to grab these Wishables from Shop Disney. But let me know in the comments down below if Remy is one of your favorite rats, because he definitely is my one and only favorite. That is for sure. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye!